Bryson. There he is. You like Granny's present? Granny and Papa's present?
Get that from Abigail, please.
Stop it, Abby. Where is Bryson? Where is Bryson? There he is! That's fun.
Give me the... Brian, Helena.
Who's the child?
You love it?
Oh,
Say thank you, Granny.
He loves it.
Aww.
He's going to wrap himself all up in it.
Brian, grab the toy from Abigail and put it up here, please.
Why?
Thank you.
Why?
I'm recording it.
Okay, I understand that. It's not a big deal.
Yay, Bryson! Say thank you, Granny. Say thank you, Granny.
Abby wanted to say hi too.
You love it?
Okay, Marley, my pants are wet. And
Yeah. All right, say bye-bye. Blow her a kiss. Hey, blow Granny and Papa a kiss. Come here. Where you going? Oh, you're going to lay down with it? Oh, okay. Okay. Say, mwah. Mwah. Say bye-bye, Granny. Bye-bye, Papa. No, nothing. He's just gonna love with the blanket. My husband. Shut up.
look at him.
He's so cute.
We'll swallow him in it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's keep it upstairs so nobody gets in there.
Yep.
Besides him.
So it doesn't get...
Marley ties.
Yay. Bye-bye.